Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I'm going to show you today how to put a ribbon on one of these T1 spools for the Royal, mostly Royal full-size machines like the KMM, KPE, FPE, all these big models that use the ribbon that's got the mechanism on the bottom like this. It's got a little cutout like that. So we're going to show you how to rewind the ribbon onto these. I'm going to remove the lid on this machine. It's already all the way off, just so we can take a look and see what the machine looks like. But let's set this aside and mess with the ribbon here. So I've got two spools, and we're going to wind a regular ribbon that you would buy, black and red, onto these spools. So let's take this out of the package here. First thing to make note of is this ribbon does not take any eyelets. So this ribbon has got eyelets in it. What I mean by eyelets is it's got an eyelet in there right near the end on both sides. Some machines need this eyelet to reverse the ribbon. This machine, when it incorporates these spools, this little mechanism on the bottom that flips right here, that does the ribbon reverse, and the eyelet will be in the way. So all you need to do is cut this ribbon like this. So now the eyelet gets thrown away, and we're going to use all the ribbon that's in here. First thing we can do after we cut that eyelet is we're going to poke a hole in the ribbon here. Just a little hole, because we're going to stick it in this little spike. You can see this little spike in here. There's two spikes, one in each direction right here on that shaft. All we have to do is pay attention is to put the black on the top. So we want the black on the top, not the red. The top is this side, bottom is the mechanism side. So let's put the black on the top. We're going to find that little hooky thing right there. We're going to hook it in here on that little hole, just like that. So now it's connected. And we're just going to wind it on here now, just like this. Black on top, and it's going to squeeze this. There's a little lever right here for that mechanism that's going to compress that. And you can just wind it. Wind it on here like that. You can just turn the spool. Wind it. You can also stick it into the machine here. I have a electric winding machine, but most people don't have that, so you can also stick it in the machine. Hold this spool. It's got a little cutout on this little guy right there, and there's levers here. Let me move these plate out of the way here. These two levers here, if you hold these together, that will free spool. So it spins freely. If not, it doesn't turn. Got to move these two levers together, and then that will free spool, and you can wind it like that. Spin it on there like that. So let's just go ahead and we'll just do it the manual way, since we've already got it started. It only takes a minute or so here to wind this around on here. And then you just need to cut the eyelet out the other side. Punch another hole in the ribbon and connect it with that little forky thing. So this is almost already spun on here. Remember, you gotta keep holding these levers here. Like that free spool. One little mishap here. Not too bad. Okay, pretty close to the end here. There's the eyelet, so let's cut that out. Poke a hole in this and connect it to the other spool. Pokey thing there. That's it. Then turn this, wind this in here a little bit so it goes around that post and holds it tight. Drop it in the spool here, through the little gaps right there, and we're just going to feed it right in there. Very simple procedure at this point. And it just goes behind first, behind, through these little forks. Like that right there. And that's how that works. Let's take a look at that. And that's it. She's ready to go. You got a new black and red ribbon on your Royal typewriter. Good day.